Alright, here's the top of the truck. First thing you guys are going to be doing is to remove this plastic strip here. Just kind of digging in there. It comes right out like that. Okay, once you pop it out, here's the drip rail. You guys need to go in and wipe it down and clean the whole thing up. And then once it's clean, then the racks get installed. Alright guys, to put the mount on, you're gonna need to make sure you put the roof rack nose right here line up to the edge of the window. The windshield. What I mean by that is this edge right here and the tip of there should line up together here. Once you get that line up, and the mounting feet should be underneath it, and you mark it, then you flip it over, get it out the way, then you put your epoxy that I supply you with in here, and then you put it down where you mark it, and then you hit this with the mallet, either the front or the back side, to get it in. See that little white dot? That's where I mark it, where I'm pointing at right there. And then that line up like that. So it almost line up like that. And then this should line up like that. See how the holes line up? Okay, that line up there. Okay, here's the first mount that's installed. And then after you screw it in, it looks like that on the other side, which I would do the same thing on this side. Put the side plate on. This is what I call the side plate. And here's the bolt that it goes with. So the side plate is temporary bolt down. Just like that. Put this black strip back on to the truck, but we will need to trim each section. So what I just did, I marked it. You see where that little silver dot is? So I marked it, put it like this, and then mark it. And you do the same thing on the rest of the truck. So now we will line up the crossbar on the rack. Make sure you don't tight the one that's over where the mounting gonna be. You wanna skip that one, skip it, do the rest of them, and if there's some, skip there too. Once you do that, you tighten all these bars down on both sides of the truck here, and then you come back and you tighten this down. And I normally do that to all of my cars that I do the install on.